Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to One to Step YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can recover your Spotify account. Now, basically, when you guys can recover your Spotify account is when you want to log in into your Spotify account and basically you forgot your password. So that's basically when you guys can recover your Spotify account. If you want to log in into your account and you forgot your password. And in this method, we're going to be using your email address, which is linked with that Spotify account to recover your Spotify account. So if you guys don't have access to that email, then you guys can't, recover your Spotify account using this method. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get into the video. And yeah, do like and subscribe to our channel and let's get in. So basically, you want to go to this website called Spotify.com, which is Spotify's official website. Go to it. Once you're over here, you want to click on where it says login. Click on login. Once you're over here, you want to click on where it says forgot your password. Alright, you want to click on forgot your password. It's going to take you to your website over here. Now, as you guys can see, it's asking you to enter your email address or username. So I'm going to enter my email address of my Spotify and I'm going to click on I'm not a robot and then click on send. And it says a message has been sent to you by email with instruction on how to reset your password. Basically, now you want to go to your email and check if Spotify has sent you a mail or not. So let me check my email real quick. So as you guys can see, Spotify sent me reset your password over here. I can click on it and click on where it says reset password over here. I can click on it and it's going to take me to the website where I can reset my password. Now over here, I can enter my new password and enter it again to confirm it. And then I can click on I'm not a robot to verify I'm a human and then click on send. And then my password will be reset and I can log in into my Spotify account using my new password. So that's basically how you guys can recover your Spotify password. It's that simple. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.